Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to open your PDF file with Microsoft Word and edit your PDF file in Microsoft Word. So let's see an example. If you click on a PDF file, what happens is you can't actually edit your PDF file. You can write anything, right? So I downloaded a certificate from Google online, but I cannot edit the certificate in PDF file. So I'll get rid of it, and what I do is I'll go to search for Word document. I'll open the Word, and I'll select the blank document. And what I do is I will open the PDF file with this Word document. So in order to do that, I have to click on File on your top right screen, click on the file and click on Open. So it gives you several options. So you have to get your file from your location where you have put it. So I have put it in my desktop, and I will find it from my desktop. And certificate template, so click on it and open. So this might take few minutes, few seconds, depending on the size of your file. So we have it in the Word document. So now what happens is that now it's an editable file. So if you click on here, it is Michael Fine. So instead of Michael Fine, you can write Michael Good, or you can, if you are writing in for Mike Good. So, and then Operations Manager, instead of this name, Henry Hold, you can write Henry Lieb. So you have edited this file. Now you can save this file again. So go to Save As, and it again gives you several options of your desired location. So choose your location. So I'm gonna choose it I'm gonna put it in my desktop. Yeah, it's already in I think it's already in desktop, but I'll click it again. Yeah, it's already in desktop. Certificate template, revised. So I'll name it, however, as save as type, so the file type would be PDF. So I will save it as a PDF file, and now save. Okay, so instead of Michael Fine, it's Mike Good, and instead of Henry Hold, it's Henry Lieb. So you have successfully edited your PDF file using Microsoft Word document. So note that not everything that's there in PDF file can be changed. There are some photo or something that may not be editable. So depending on how the file is structured in the original PDF document. But I hope this was helpful. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button in this video. And if you have any questions, or you want me to create any new content, please put your comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.